Hi, this is Kate from Lucy and Bailey's Bridgerton Litter. Kate is a mini Lucy. She looks and acts just like her mom did as a puppy. She is a Sable chocolate girl, and she has a little bit of the dark, and her face is pretty light, so it's very pretty. She has a straight to wavy coat, just like Mama Lucy, and her personality is just like Lucy too, and it's why we love Lucy so much. She's such a chill girl. She just loves to love, and she's such a cuddler, but she also does like to play. Miss Kate likes to give kisses too. Yeah. And she also has the pretty eyes, like the green colored eyes, just like Lucy does too. So that just makes her a little bit extra special. So this is Kate.